How to fix lock screen timeout not working in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Installing Windows updates resolves bugs and enhances compatibility with system functions. The lock screen timeout issue may result from outdated system files or glitches fixed through updates. Once installation completes, restart your device for changes to take effect. A power plan directly influences system functions, and customizations may affect the lock screen timeout. Resetting restores default settings, potentially resolving conflicts. Click Change Advanced Power Settings. Click Restore Plan Defaults. Confirm with OK. Incorrect timeout settings are often the culprit for lock screen issues. Adjusting these can restore functionality. The Power Troubleshooter identifies and resolves power-related issues automatically. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.